Hi everyone, Mike here. If you watched a video I posted a couple of weeks ago, you'll know that I've shifted my Excel content to another YouTube channel. I've put the link in the description below. But I don't want to close this channel, so I'm going to post the odd video, really just so the good folks over at YouTube know the channel is still active. I was doing an audit of the content on this channel the other day, and yes, there's a lot of out-of-date stuff, like 7 videos about Windows 7 and 6 videos about Cloudon, which was a service offered by a third party back in 2012. It simulated running Microsoft Office on an iPad. This was way before the official Microsoft apps were launched. But there's also a lot of relevant Excel related stuff. I found a video on flash fill, a feature that's been in Excel since 2010 and one that I find many users don't know about. There's a video showing how to build a loan calculator, and there's my most viewed video with over 346,000 hits. That one's about VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. It might be over 10 years old, but it's still bang on point in today's world. So if you are watching this, don't let this channel die. Have a look around, you never know what gems you might find. Thanks for watching and have an excellent day.